All right. This is going to be a demo of the liri-node-app that we have built. Um, Basically, we have four commands that we can run, which each do different things. We have concert this, Spotify this song, movie this, and do what it says. And which of these functions is going to run is determined by a command line argument provided by the user. So just to demonstrate this first, you can see we have node liri.js, and then this first argument right here, concert this, will be passed into this run liri function, and that will allow you to run one of these functions. So in this case, we're going to do concert this, and we're giving it the argument share. So it's going to utilize the bandsintown API and basically give us concert results in our console here for share. And as you can see, she is pretty busy sharing a lot of her love with us. So there's a lot of events for this particular artist. Um, so now we'll do very similarly. We're going to run our application again, but this time we're going to be running it with, we're going to be doing our Spotify command. And we're giving it the query in the airplane over the sea. No need for passing it all as a string. You can just pass it as separated words and it works fine. So you'll see that here. And you can see we have some results from the Spotify API. And you can also see these messages here displaying after every command that we're running, and we're basically saving all of these queries into a log file, which I will show here in a minute. But before that, let's just run two more things that we have. We have also movie this, and this time we're not going to provide it with the argument, and it has a default argument, which will be Mr. Nobody. And you can see here we have information about the movie Mr. Nobody, and that's retrieved by the omdb API. And then the last thing we're going to do here is little mystifying one, do what it says. It doesn't need any argument after do what it says, and we'll show what that does here. So you can see it ran the Spotify API call again and did it for the search term Backstreet Boys. And to show you where that came from, let's scroll down a little bit here. So you can see here we have do what it says, and it's using the native fs package, which we imported up top, in order to read this text file, random.txt, and that provides it with both the command to run, as you can see right here, and the term to run the command with, and then we're just calling the liri run function again with those two terms. And if you look here, you can see in random.txt, that's why we got the Spotify result for I want it that way. And we can go ahead and replace this here with something I already have copied and pasted, and I'm going to save right there. And now if we run this, do what it says again, this time it's going to give us the omdb results for Remember the Titans. And then last thing to show you here, we have those log files that have been being saved this whole time. So if we go to log.txt, you can see that all of our queries have been saving in this log file. It tells you what kind of query it was and the actual results of the query. And you can see that also happens with the do the thing command, because it will literally just call these commands. And that's it.